Gray holes also exist. They're just negative mass.
Really?
Yeah.
How? Let me understand the things
Okay, so
of your concept. Of your concept.
It's not my concept. I found it on YouTube.
Okay, what they said about it. Come over here, sit down.
Nah, I'm just gonna stop.
Okay.
So what they said is like
Give her first. Give her water.
they said that all positive mass items have inertia.
Okay, what does that mean?
So inertia is like when an object pushes on different objects, the object that is being pushed wants to stay in the same position. That's what positive inertia is.
Acha, mean to say if, just 1 second, let me understand it a little bit, that if an object push another object,
Yeah.
then,
So for example, I push this glass, it will try to stay in the same position.
okay, yeah, that's true.
That's inertia. But it actually does more pain. It actually can throw you off during more pain. If you just pushed along with it, so like
Come near to me.
So like normal inertia, so like it's positive and negative, so it's like 0
Mm-hmm.
from the number line.
Okay, we was discussing
Then it would
about,
just go with it. But if it's negative inertia, then it will try to go in the front if it's possible.
mean to say you push it and it will come back front.
Yeah, it'll try to go in the front.
Okay.
That's what negative inertia does.
Okay, so we was talking about negative mass. You was telling me about negative mass.
Yeah.
What is negative mass, Araf? Come to me.
Okay. I told you a
Give it to
little
me.
bit about
Give me the
negative.
remote. I will put her in something, and then we will talk.
Okay. So let's talk about some theories.
Yeah.
What do you think would happen if you just threw a negative massed item in the air? Would it float?
Negative. I don't know. I'm not so sure about it. Sorry.
Well, okay. I have a logical reasoning for why most people say that it will float.
What is negative mass, Araf? There is.
I'm getting to that. Wait.
Okay. Okay.
So we know that most people believe that it will float because positive mass sinks most of the time,
Mm-hmm.
but negative mass should then float because it's the opposite.
Sit down here. I will do the video here.
Not yet, not yet.
Okay. No problem.
But actually, it sinks still because it still has mass.
Yeah.
Yeah, it still has
Okay.
mass.
Sit down. I want you to sit down.
And it's also, and it actually tries to repel other items and also take in items,
Yeah.
just like a white and black hole combined. So like a gray hole. And this also proves that white holes exist. So if negative mass exists, white holes exist. And negative mass is not antimatter.
It's not antimatter.
Antimatter, yeah.
Yeah.
Antimatter is something different. So like, what is the antimatter of an electron?
Yeah.
That is a positron.
Okay.
Instead of a negative charge, it's a positive charge.
Oh.
It has the same properties as an electron, but the difference is that it's just positively charged. That's antimatter.
Okay. I'm really confused.
But negative mass is not that. It's not the difference. It's not the opposite. With one different thing from positive mass, it's completely reversed. Whereas
Mm-hmm.
antimatter is partially reversed.
Okay. Matter and antimatters are partially a part of each other, right?
Yeah, but the antimatter may just be a component for the negative mass.
My God.
It may. I'm not sure.
Okay, it may. You're not sure.
It just may.
Okay. There is let me understand. There is something and there is nothing. From that nothing, how we can get into negative form of nothing.
So if you want to get into negative mass, and if you're trying to use it with elements that are all over us, but we can't see them. Oxygen and smoke are good examples.
Mm-hmm.
So the air and smoke.
Yeah, okay.
So the smoke would rise up. So that wouldn't work. So the air should be actually the negative mass in this situation.
So air is
But
yeah.
it's not actually like that.
Mm-hmm. So it is not like that.
Yeah, so it doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
So this example is a fail.
Okay. We don't know anything about this video, but we understand that you understand some of the things, which is I don't understand actually. I will post this video. I don't know. I will post this.
But no one actually knows that negative mass exists.
Okay. So if it is proven there is negative mass,
White and gray holes also exist, meaning that we won't directly just be dead as soon as our sun becomes a black hole. So
yeah,
we're not
okay.
directly dead.
When the sun get into a black hole, we will be not directly dead. If there is a possibilities of white holes
or gray holes, and if we get sucked into a gray hole, then it's basically we're going through basically a time tube, and we'll be splattered on a different gray hole.
Wow.
A black hole, but this tube is like train stations.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like train stations. They can go from each other.
Okay.
But black holes can't. They only go one direction to the white hole.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and from there it just goes back into a circle, but it can't go the other way around. But gray holes can do that.
Gray holes means the both side, right? Black holes and white holes together, the combinations.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think that scientists are trying to prove it yet?
I don't know, but I think so.
Okay. If the negative mass worked, then
we won't ever die, basically. We're basically immortal.
Basically immortal. Means to say the situation will be regenerated in other part of the...
Because even if the Earth gets sucked in, there is probably a gray or white hole that can spit it out again.
Wow.
If negative mass exists.
Okay. My God, it's a huge discussion we have done already, and I'm not so sure that how much it's actually, how much you know, you understand. I understand one thing that you understand it.
I
That's it.
understand a lot of it already.
Yeah, but good enough. I don't want to post this long video. I will put it in half and half, 2 part of it.
Yeah, sorry. Okay.
Yeah, but I will post it definitely too. Even the people will get annoyed about this video, I know. They don't want to watch this kind of. And I must tell you, I love you. Learn as much as possible. Try to find out. Whatever you want to. Learning is good. Thank you.
But wait, we're gonna do another video in this video.
Just